What coding and programming language should I learn? Are you struggling with the same question? If you're new to the field of software development, the toughest part of learning programming is deciding where to begin. However, in 2024, the demand for skilled programmers will increase more than ever, making it crucial to pick the right language to learn. In this video, we'll share the top 7 programming language in 2024. We'll break it down based on what's popular, where the jobs are, and what will help you the most in your career. Python. Python is one of the favorite languages amongst programmers for its versatile and user-friendly nature. According to data from HackerRank, it is highly sought after by hiring managers, ranking second in the list. Additionally, 50% of these managers prioritize Python skills, reflecting its widespread demand and importance in the world of programming. From powerhouse platforms like YouTube, Quora, and Pinterest to the social media giant like Instagram, Python serves as the backbone for scientific, computational tasks and even dives deep into the realm of machine learning. With its straightforward syntax and abundant libraries, Python is a must-learn for any aspiring programmer. Java. Java is an excellent choice if you are interested in creating cross-platform applications. It ranks third in the top programming languages in 2024. It's incredibly popular, with over 3 billion devices currently running applications built with Java. While it might be one of the most challenging programming languages to learn, experienced Java developers are highly in demand in the industry. Java's write once, run anywhere approach cements its place in enterprise-based applications and Android app development. Its robust community support and adaptability further contribute to its enduring popularity. Notable companies like HCL, Adobe, Qualcomm, Flipkart, and Amazon are actively engaged in Java projects. JavaScript. With the rising demand for dynamic web applications, JavaScript has become a must for any aspiring software developer. Serving as the backbone of front-end development, JavaScript is one of the few programming languages capable of powering both front-end and back-end development. Whether you're aiming to craft robust user interfaces or dive into full-stack development, JavaScript is your go-to tool. It holds the title of most popular programming language worldwide and is highly desired by organizations and hiring managers alike. If your focus is on web development in 2024, JavaScript should undoubtedly be your first language of choice. SQL. SQL is the language of databases. Unlike other coding languages, SQL specifically enables storage, extraction, and manipulation of data within existing databases. If you're interested in working with applications that rely heavily on databases, such as social media platforms, payment processors, and music libraries, then learning SQL is a must. For aspiring data professionals, familiarity with SQL is often a prerequisite for roles like database administrator, data analyst, and QA engineer. Its widespread usage solidifies its position as the third most utilized language in the programming realm. Golang. Golang, developed by Google, has emerged as one of the fastest growing programming languages. Its strength lies in its capability to handle multi-core and network systems as well as massive code bases. Major companies utilizing Golang as their programming languages include Google, Twitch, Uber, Dropbox, and many more. Golang is particularly suitable for engineers venturing into system programming and a valuable addition to any developer's toolkit. Rust. Rust is well known for its focus on safety and performance. Its ownership model prevents many common programming errors, making it a strong choice for important applications. Whether you prioritize fast compilation, better cross-platform functionality, or improved career prospects, learning Rust can be a smart move. Getting acquainted with Rust in 2024 can put you ahead in the trend towards a safer and more reliable system programming. Moreover, its growing ecosystem, community support, and increasing use in industry projects and open source software highlight Rust's growing importance in the modern programming. Kotlin. If you're keen on creating efficient and modern Android applications, then learning Kotlin is the way to go. Its interoperability with Java, combined with its modern features, makes it a preferred choice for Android app development, back-end server applications, and increasingly multi-platform projects. Kotlin is an excellent option for anyone interested in creating cross-platform applications. One of the reasons for its popularity is its endorsement by Google for Android application development, ensuring its ongoing demand since Android stands as the largest operating system worldwide. Kotlin allows developers to share codes between Android and iOS applications, which reduces the development effort for cross-platform projects. Companies like Coursera, Pinterest, and Postmates use Kotlin as their programming language. Choosing the right programming language depends on your career goals, interests, and industry landscape. Stay adaptable, keep learning, and become proficient in the language that aligns with your aspirations. Learning to code might be tough, but it's ultimately rewarding. Ready to enhance your coding skills? Begin by mastering the fundamentals. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for essential tech videos that will assist you in essential coding skills.